friends, my name is Poonam. Today I am going to discuss with you the procrastination. First, understand what is procrastination. It is the action of voluntarily and unnecessary delaying the task or something in spite of knowing that it will bring some negative consequence. And the most common reason of the procrastination is the perfection, where we are not starting any task project because of the fear of we are not achieving the perfection. And I will prepare myself and then will I attempt. This is the most common thinking behind the procrastination. Sometimes we are even fail to start the task, forget about the perfection. Mainly there are three types of procrastinator. First one is the delayer, second one is the perfectionist, and third one is the distractibles. Let's understand one by one. Delayer are these are the people who hard to find time to get things started. They are giving the excuses like I am tired, I need a break, I don't have time to start it right now, I will do it later. Or they thinking that it's too late to start that today, let me do it tomorrow with a fresh mood. These are the excuses given by the delayers. Now let's understand the perfectionists. These are the people who are starting the task, but they don't think that they achieve the perfection. So they think that if we present this task or submit this task, then people will judge us. People will think that I am incomplete, I am incompetent, people will not trust me to do that again. Or they think that if I do the two more revision, then it will be perfect. These are the reasons given by the perfectionist. Now let's understand the distractible. These are the people always find something else to do the things which gives the immediate pleasure or satisfaction, rather than completing the task. Rather than completing the task that brings the satisfaction. So for these people, distraction will be playing games, watching web series, or surfing on the net, going for shopping in the mall, or eating unnecessary things, or spending lot of time on doing the unnecessary tasks. And what all the things leads to? These things leads to the guilt, anxiety, depression, low self-esteem, losing the self-confidence. And these things are increasing in the proportion how we are delaying that task. In the simple words, if you have something hanging on your head which is important, then you can't really enjoy the any other things till the time you don't complete that task. To overcome all these problems because of the procrastination, we have to start prioritizing the task, set the goal, set the timeline, avoid the distraction, and if possible delegate tasks to the other resources. This will help to overcome the problem. Simple mantra is do it right now instead of procrastinating. Hope you like the topic, hope you like the content. Thanks, that's all for today. Bye bye.